All right, so let's hear for Ifeoma. That's right, everybody. Give it up for Ifeoma. All right, thanks a lot, Ifeoma, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day. So you guys ready to translate that name together? Ifeoma. Come on, say it with me. Ifeoma. Good. All right, so Ifeoma, ready for it? So the translation. Ife means like something or a thing or basically whatever you're about to talk about next, right? The word after Ife kind of explains a little bit more about what the full phrase is supposed to mean, right? And Oma means good, beautiful, great, something that's desirable, wanted, positive, anything, anything along the lines of just something being like good, right? So you put those two together, and Ifeoma just basically means like a good thing or beautiful, magnificent, gorgeous, lovely, wonderful, things like that, right? So yeah, Ifeoma. So I mean, the literal meaning of Ifeoma is just like a good thing or a beautiful thing. But if you want to, I guess, make the meaning just more succinct and just easy to basically convey, it means basically beautiful or lovely. Ifeoma's names give them the power to be full of life, positive, and have a great sense of style and fashion. Tag and share this video with all the Ifeomas that you know. Thanks. Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji Neil on the Wakwe Zone.
Yeah.
All right, so Ifeoma, what do you think about that name? What do you think about the translation? Did I get it right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So all of your comments and engagement on this YouTube channel go a really long way, right? Because what it does is it shows the YouTube algorithm that people like you enjoy this content. And so then the YouTube algorithm is able to learn and recommend and show this video to other people just like you who are interested in African names, African culture, and things like that. So I appreciate, you guys, liking, commenting, subscribing, hitting the bell, sharing, and things like that, so that YouTube can continue to learn and show this with people just like you. All right, so if you would like your very own Igbo name, or if you're expecting a child and you would like to give them a name from the ancestors, let me know in the comment section down below. You can also hit me up on my Instagram. It's linked in the comment section, or it's linked in the description. You know what I'm saying? And you can send me a DM, but basically anything that you would like to manifest into that child's life, any hopes or dreams or anything you want for that child, you know what I'm saying? The destiny you would like them to have, you can send me a DM, let me know, and I can give you a good matching Igbo name to whatever concept or whatever idea you have in mind, right? And if you would like an Igbo name too, same thing, let me know, and I can, after you describe a little bit about yourself, I can give you an Igbo name based off of your personality traits and your characteristics and your relationship with God, right? So I can give you an Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series. Check out that playlist on this channel. And this current playlist is the Igbo Name of the Day, right? So if you are Igbo, by blood, by association, by marriage or anything like that, I can feature your Igbo name on this series, which is the Igbo Name of the Day. In our culture, our names are really important. Anytime someone says your name, they're basically speaking the blessings and the power and invoking just all the good traits and the qualities that come with that name's meaning into your life, and almost reminding God to continue to bless you and reminding you that you're blessed. You get what I'm saying? I think that's one of the things that helps us excel as a people. So I'd like us all to come together and reconnect with our roots, reconnect with our names. I think that's a great place to start. I believe Black excellence starts with us strengthening the way we view ourselves. So if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, then just tap the like button really lightly instead for me, all right? So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Hit that bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. It could be the video I make for you next. I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Take care. And I will see you in the next video.